que no veo la música, pero ya lo solucionamos. Vamos a solucionar ese problema, a ver. Creo que suena la música, ¿cierto? Ferpicado, ¿cómo estás? Hola, Hanles. Hola, Zen. Qué bueno tenerte por acá. Sí, esperen. Yo iba a hacer algo. Ya se me olvidó streamear. I have forgot how to stream. By the way, I will keep the conversation in English because I launched this streaming as English. I launched streaming as English. It does make sense. Yeah, I guess. But I mean, you are welcome to speak in Spanish. I don't mind. And that's because I'm doing the transition to English, right? Yeah, thank you. Yes, I just cut my hair, and I also letting the beard to grow. What is the thing that I wanted to do? Yes, this is the thing. Give me a second. Yeah, this morning I was like the first picture. Now I am like this, of course, because this is live, right? Thank you, Naryad. How is everyone? Long time no see. 4 weeks. I completely forgot everything. How to code, how to stream. I did nothing. I did nothing. Well, I did some stuff. I will show you. We are having a new, not just the look, but also, the glasses are new. Those are new. And like the prescription change. Apparently I looking better, of course. No, my side. I think it's the side, right? My side is much better than before. Just a little bit. Viking style, you have to mix to camouflage between Swedish people. Yes, exactly. Sweden Viking vibes. No, I usually like to cut my hair like that, but then it gets messy. Then I just shave all of it. That's how I usually manage my hair. I would like to tint my hair white on the top. I always wanted when I was a kid. How old I was? Probably 15. No, that was too much. Probably 12, 13 years old. 12, 14 years old. I always wanted to tint my hair white, but I never did it. I have never tinted my hair. Probably I will do it. Is ink or ink? Hola, well, Nerdog. Capital del mundo maya, la hermosa Guatemala. Hola, ¿qué tal? Saludos desde... No sé si Estocolmo es una capital hermosa, pero es bien, es decente. Desde la fría Suecia, aunque no tan fría porque estamos en verano. How is everyone? It's so nice to see you finally after that long. And as I say, I forgot everything. I don't know how to code. I don't know what to do. I don't even know what to do at work. It has been 2 days already since yesterday and today that I came back to work. I mean, half of my thing is on vacation. It's super hard. It's like the Swedish summer. Everyone goes to vacation. It's so crazy. So yeah, it's half of my thing on vacation. So of course there is always things to do, but it's not the same, right? When it's the full team, it's not the same. I'm doing good. I have a job interview tomorrow. Oh, Chris, congratulations. Hopefully it will be nice. Good luck with that. Yeah, so 4 weeks of vacation, you might think that's a lot, Yes, indeed, it's a lot. But it's really common here. By law, you have 25 days of vacation per year in Sweden. However, because my job, I had 31 days of vacation. So in theory, I still have 2 weeks more. Yes, probably I will use them on December. Yes, 25 by law, but I had 31 days vacation per year. Is a lot. Yes, definitely is a lot. I used to have unlimited vacations, unlimited paid vacations, and I have never took that many vacations per year. At least I took a few, probably between 3-4 weeks, probably something like that. Also, no, I think between 2 and 3 weeks per year, probably. Or I don't really remember when I used to have like unlimited paid vacations. Of course, it sounds magical, it sounds strange. Yes, it has a lot of, how you call it, like in the contracts, the small text. I really should take my vacations now. I'm starting to feel frustrated with my actual. Yes, that's a sign, It's really important to take vacation. I guess Sweden is really in pro of healthy mental health. So it's like mental health is health, and that's why during pandemic we never had to be at the house locked out. Like we were free basically. We never used face masks. It wasn't mandatory at all. It's because, I guess you know this, right? Be at home, locked with whatever you were living and doing nothing is very frustrating. It affects your mental health a lot. And Sweden thought, we can't just lock everyone, locked in. It's locked in, right? Locked in everyone, because that's going to make people crazy. And mental health is also health. That's important. And I like it. To be honest, I like it. And that's kind of the vibe of my team. And so far in the 2 companies that I had work here, they really respect your mental health. If you don't feel good to work, you just don't. And that's it. And everyone has their, struggles, moments. So yeah, it's really important. Davidito, how are you? I thought it was GitHub. It's the clickbait. I'm so sorry, but that's how things work these days. So yeah, let's just talk a little bit. I'm back. Of course, why I wasn't here, because I was on vacation, so I tried to disconnect as much as I can from my usual activities. I read a lot, different books, in fact, those that are there. No, I haven't finished them. No, I hadn't. But who knows when. But that's important. At least I started to read them, and I like them. This one is in Spanish, but it's a book that I wanted to see. It's from a website that I really like. It's called Microsiervos. I don't know if you know them. It's really good. I have been following them since ages now, and they have this book, and I wanted to support them, and it's pretty interesting. It's like they show you like things that they were supposed to be solved or invented by now, but they are not, and it's interesting. And then this one is really good. It's about your immune system. It's the same author of Cursos. I don't know if have you seen that YouTube channel. It's an amazing book. And also I started and this one as well. Is this Wi-Fi Organic? Dave Farina, I didn't know him. Excellent teacher about science and stuff. It's a small book. I was curious about his book, and it was a recommendation with this one. But this one I bought it on internet. This one no. This one it was in a library a long time ago. So yes, so I started to read these 3 books. It has been nice, have time to read. I'm really trying to read more. Juanjo, how are you? Hola, hola, ¿cómo estás? Buenas tardes. Shito. It's okay. No offense. I ask you a question. Of course, you can ask whatever you want. Yes, I know. Nice to see you again. There is days when my depression doesn't make me feel good for working, but I still have to. Yikes. Christian, I know. Sometimes I feel the same. Like, I don't really want to work, but you have to. I mean, of course, it's like, that's life. Luigi, lo siento. A ver, la realidad es que yo estoy haciendo una transición a inglés. Pero está bien, o sea, hoy podemos hacer Spanglish. Yo creo que igual el streaming va a estar muy Spanglish por un tiempo. He tratado de manejar el tema de español-inglés. Es complicado, sin embargo he visto una streamer que lo hace. Ella habla inglés e italiano y le funciona. No sé cómo hace, pero bueno, obviamente, a ver, tiene un público grande, yo no. Pero para el tipo de cosas que yo hago acá, creo que it's fair to speak English, because English is important for your career. I want to really focus on improve your career, your skills based on product, no teach you to code. And for that level, I guess you really need to speak English. So it's good that you can, like, learn with me, I guess. Yes, that's true. It was a joke. Right. My parcero, I'm great. How are you? Hi, Spectre. How are you? Hey, it's nice to see everyone here. Yes, you are the best. That's true. You are the very best. So, yeah, I was telling you that on my vacation, I was able to start reading a few books. I'm really excited to, read. It's nice. And it's not about code. It's just about science. I really like those kind of books. I also was able to, I don't know, did we have the opportunity to, did I did this before? Probably not. So I have like this new part of the desk. As you can notice, it's like a L shape. I don't really remember if we saw that the last time. I don't really remember how was the setup in the last streaming, but yes, it's like a L shape. It's really nice because I kind of I moved some stuff. I mean, that laptop was already in that thing behind me, that table, but now it makes more sense, I guess. Yeah, it's the same kind of setup with the same table. This is the Magnus desk, and also I have a space here, tons of space. Now maybe I can use it for other kind of work, maybe drawing. I don't really know. But things are less, I kind of fix some stuff here, so that's nice. And even like just flip back, I guess, or flip up, flip down, I don't know how is the term, but it's nice. I want to move this wire here because this is the one that I used to charge my phone, but that is not a good place for my phone. And of course we have the lion here. I also fix. Oh yes, probably when I did the gaming stream, the last stream that I did on vacation. Probably I don't really remember. I was gaming Halo. Probably you see it. Also, those paintings are not finished. I am painting them. This is my other dog. This is Cookie, my other dog. It's a work in progress. And those are going to be my cats. So, it's hard to store the paintings. And I say, I can't just hang them and continue the painting and eventually they will be finished, and that's okay. So that's what I did. Yeah, that was one thing. I managed to set up a lot of stuff, the sound as well, but still I noticed something with the mic. It might be related to some other resources. Let's hope it's working okay, because at least for the courses, It's working good. I will show you also in a minute how is the status of the recording. By the way, it's in English. I'm going to release the courses in English. I know it's super hard, super hard. I can start showing you that first. Thank you, Hanlis. I really like that you enjoy also speaking English. Of course, my English is not like the best, but you know, it's worth it to practice. I mean, it has working for me somehow. So yeah, I will show you a few things. Just give me another second. Where is my Notion page? And why do I have so many tabs? I hate when I have so many tabs. I usually don't have that many tabs. I think I can show you like this. Let me see. Mother component library. So, oh, and also I can show you the presentation because I am so proud of my presentation. Datirones. Sí, estoy viendo que estamos perdiendo cosillas, pero my bad. Right now we are like missing few frames. I'm not sure what is happening. Let me see. That was weird. Maybe. Let me see. Oh, by the way. Okay, let me just read the comments. Fer Picado me hace la pregunta en español. Te la hago en español mejor. ¿Cuáles serían los requisitos básicos que quería conocer de Node.js para encontrar el primer empleo como backend? Suelo usar Node.js con Express, Mongo o MySQL. No me gusta para nada el frontend. ¿Cuáles serían esos conceptos que conocerlos y así? Fer Picado, yo creo que si tú eres capaz de construir una API y si sabes testearla también, a ver, no es mandatory, porque sé que algunos empleos exigen, como sí, que tienes que saber de testing, pero al final no lo usan. Es un tema complicado. Estás más que listo. O sea, si tú sabes construir una API, todo bien. Entonces, o sea, si sabes también, si sabes un poco de arquitectura, de pronto clean architecture, o como al menos cómo organizar tu proyecto, hoy por hoy creo que es muy relevante y más en el backend saber TypeScript. I recommend you, if you want to be a backend developer with Node.js, probably you might want to learn TypeScript because it's becoming very, very popular and it's really helpful for work with teams. And especially in the backend when you have that contract, you know, like you are going to return an object in some shape, it's very important to have typing, I think. Oh yes, Fer Picado, that's a razor blade. That's my baby. That's my razor blade. That's the one that I use for play Halo or other games. Right now it's trying to look at my face to log in. Yes, but yeah, I have Discord there. Yeah, and those are like some Xbox control. Yeah, it's nice. And yeah, we can talk about the setup later, but of course all information about my setup is a command setup, like exclamation setup. So yeah, that's usually I think if you know how to create an API, how to document the API, how to test it, TypeScript with Node.js, and how to use Mongo and MySQL, you are more than ready to find your first job as a backend developer. Maybe you want to know how to deploy your API. That's definitely something that might be important. So yeah. Summer vibes. El problema es que mi setup con Summer vibes se va a quedar con Summer vibes incluso en invierno. No puedo estar pintando la pared. Aunque bueno, sí puedo cambiar un poquito como los colores. Como aquí. ¿Cómo estaba? ¿Estaba rojo? Creo que estaba rojo. Así un poquito, sí. Bueno, sí se pueden cambiar los colores, claro está. Okay. Something general from Twitch. Yeah, still, but I've seen that I have been dropping a few frames, but it's okay. That's another. I don't know if it's good news or not, but I already got an email from Starlink, and looks like in 2 weeks I'm going to have my Starlink. Probably I shouldn't like show the numbers, so I'm going to do something like this. Probably this works. Well, trust me. yeah, I don't want to reveal my data, but yeah, I do you know what is like Starlink? Yeah, I need to. Yeah, probably I can show you this. Probably, yeah, it's not, there is no lie, but this is basically the email threads. Like you can see the first one, your Starlink order has shipped. So probably in 2 weeks I will have. Hey, thank you, Kanoashi. Thank you for that. Spectre now is again a sub. I think Spectre was a sub before, right? For play, podrías mostrar rápidamente cómo funcionan los prototypes en realidad, pero cuando tengo objeto dentro de los objetos, ¿cómo define? No logro hacerlo funcionar. Yes, I can do that, but in a bit, because first I need to show some stuff first. But yeah, I definitely will show you. In fact, we have the repo. So yeah, I just before that and before we start coding, because we are going to code today. Genot says, ¿allí no vives en invierno todo el año? No realmente, tenemos las 4 estaciones y está haciendo calor. Ya igual va a empezar el frío, pero no. Summer is about between 25-30 degrees. Like today, like right now right now I'm in Sweden. Oh, well, right now it's not hot. Right now it's 16 degrees. But tomorrow we are going to be 23 degrees, and then it's going to be cold, 19, 21, then 23, because summer is kind of ending, and this is autumn, of course. So yeah, Josue, what do you need to know about JS to start learning TS? That's a great question. I mean, the basics. In theory, you can start learning TypeScript just right now. If you don't know JavaScript, you can start learning TypeScript. I mean, it's not that different, to be honest. It's just like TypeScript is like configuration. Okay, so I want to show you something. So yeah, so I have been recording my course. So remember, everything that we have done here is because we are going to release 4 courses. Right, and I can just jump into that part. What is the course? Yes, like those are the courses that I'm releasing. So this is the one that I'm recording right now. I also have all the material. This is the next one. I also have basically 90% of the material, and then we need to finish 10%, and we will do this soon. And then we will do the API, and then we will record this as well. So that's kind of the idea. But I realized that it really takes time. I tried to do as much as I could on my vacation, but it's such a challenge, you know, to record the course yourself. Usually when I record the courses with other platforms like Platzi, you have a lot of help from them, because you have a guy that is telling you if it's okay or not. You have the editor, and you prepare everything. So, and of course, well, not of course, but this course is going to be more advanced, so it's more complicated. But I already started to record them. So those are the look the you know, the slides are really nice. I have been like, you know, building those slides for you. Like this is when I explain how it's the course. So the first one is Modern Components Library with React and Storybook. And take a look to the right. So this is basically it's going to be it's going to have 10 modules. Those are the modules here. These are the modules, and every module has like different lessons. So right now I'm in this module. I have recorded these lessons. This module is the longest, but I have recorded these lessons. I have edited like until here, probably. I don't really remember. I will show you in a minute. But yeah, those are like, you know, this is like the longest module. And then I have like this module with design tokens, the scripts with Node.js, then atomic design. The green thing is going to be last. Like if I see that I have the rhythm and I can record them, I will do it. But it's mostly like the white topics, right? And then the printer, those are the modules. So this is the first course, just the first course. And then we have the second one that is regarding the, the front end. We have done a lot of front end with Red Query and XJS here in the streaming. So basically, and the project is most of the important parts are done basically. So that's the second that we're going to release. So the idea is I'm going to release probably, because it takes a lot of time to record the courses and I don't want to let you wait anymore. So probably I'm going to release module by module. I will try to do my best. Like I will release the first module, advanced story with templates, then the second module, design tokens to the rescue, and there. This is the recording. You can notice like the different recordings. I have like different setups here. Let me show you, like it's different days. So in here I have the new glasses. It has been really, as I say, really hard to record the course. Those are not edited, but let's say this one. So this is a nice software called the Script. I don't know if you know the software, but it's amazing. This is edited? Yeah, probably this is edited. I still have a lot of mistakes with my pronunciation, but doesn't really matter because I will fix it with this software. You can do overdub or your own voice, but you need to train it. So this is kind of the... Can you hear? I guess. No, I think you can, right? No, maybe you can, right? Oh, maybe it's the... Let me see something. Oh, interesting. Oh, no, you can't. You really can't because I have disabled the sound. Okay, just give me... Oh, shit. But we can do that. We can do this. Give me a second. I mean, it's me. It's just me talking in English. That's it. But what I wanted to show you is like, it's really hard. It's not the same as do a streaming. Believe me, it's really hard to present yourself here. Oh man. Let me. Yes, this. Let's see. Maybe now. Yes, you can hear, right? Of course, it's kind of a robotic because I have like code parts. Yeah, it's funny, but I also decided like I'm not going to make it perfect. It's going to be fine. Like this is like this. I have a lot of mistakes here. Like initialize, I said that were really bad, but I'm going to fix it. So yeah, it has been like all this recording. This one, for instance, is not edited. But it's doing pretty well. You have the on, and you can remove. Look this. I can go and say like remove filler words, and it's going to remove all my like the filler words. You can't just do that. Like check this. Like right. And I can just like go and say like, okay, like let's take this one and delete it. For instance, this is automatically, but I don't want to do that. And let's say like, maybe I should also remove this. Let's just remove it. And then you can just like, it's like magic, right? And of course, I need like to fix what I was saying. Like that's kind of the idea. But what is really nice about this software is like it's based on the transcription, right? So I already have the transcription of the course. So if I want just like maybe to release the Spanish like subtitles, it can be possible because I already have the transcription of my own videos. So it's really nice. Oh, the script. How you call it like this? The script. They also have a Spanish already. They also support Spanish. This is like the software. The script. Oh, it's like super tiny, but it's like how it's written, like the script. This is the script. Let me just put the music back. So yeah, that's the status the recording. So what I'm going to do is I want to try to record on Saturdays a few lessons, 2-3 lessons. Dip them during the weekends. Probably it's going to be the weekends because I don't want to abandon the streamings. I think the streamings are very, very important because then I have interaction with you guys and I can learn and you know, continue the project. I just want to, you know, it's going to be a slow process, but it's going. That's the important thing, right? Yeah, that's kind of the good news. I finally like kind of overcome, like superé ese problema, because the last time I tried and I didn't like the result, but now I really like it. It's good enough for me right now. It's good enough with the software. I feel it's really easier to do the edit. It's still time. It takes time. But it's going. I'm really happy with that. And also the presentation helped me a lot because I'm really good, you know, doing talks with presentations. So that's really. Oh, and I have a final announcement before we start coding, because we need to code. Maybe some of you already know, but do you know nerdearla? By the way, do you know nerdearla? Nerdearla. Let me show you. I can say this in Spanish, maybe. Let's go. ¿Conocen nerdearla? Por cierto, déjenme leerlos un poquitico. The script. Let me write the script. That's the software name. Sorry for the question. What was the course about? Chispitas. The course. Van a ser 4 cursos. Uno de cómo crear una librería moderna de componentes usando Storybook. Luego viene el del frontend, que es frontend como con React Query y Next.js. Luego viene el API, que va a ser Clean Architecture con Fastify. Y luego viene React Native. React Native haciendo Universal Rendering. Universal Rendering es poder usar la misma librería de componentes tanto para React como para React Native. Hay que hacer ajustes, sí, pero va a ser la misma fuente de librería de componentes. Lo que hemos venido haciendo en streaming han sido los insumos. Lo que vamos a hacer hoy es seguir trabajando en los proyectos, porque esos son los insumos que yo uso para grabar los cursos. Es un curso avanzado, es pesado. Hoy por hoy creo que las plataformas están dando contenido muy liviano. Pues, yo no voy a hacer eso porque, o sea, no, al menos no los que voy a sacar yo. Posiblemente sí voy a grabar cursos en plataformas y van a ser livianos. De hecho, es otra cosa que también quiero volver a hacer. Continuar ya. O sea, siento que ya pasé esta etapa. Quería como darle prioridad a la grabación de mis cursos. Ya está sucediendo. Entonces voy a hacerlo. Ok, es difícil traducir de español a inglés. He escuchado que Fastify le da 1000 vueltas a Node. ¿Por qué? ¿En qué sentido? ¿Qué te refieres? 4 courses. Yes, it's going to be 4 courses, but it's going to be course by course. And I also want to start recording YouTube videos. You are wondering, Guillermo, really? Yes. The idea is I want to create some, how you call it, like habit to create more content. And YouTube is very important because it's super hard to grow on Twitch. So I'm going to do like also content for YouTube, but it's going to be like really small. It's, you know, I will try to keep it small, easy to record, easy to edit. So then yeah, I can do it. You know, that's kind of the idea. At least 1 video per week, something like that. I should start with the first video this weekend and then release it next week probably. That's kind of my mindset right now. So Nerdearla, I have a talk in Nerdearla. This is kind of my first talk in a conference. This is a hybrid. Creo que lo puedo decir en español. Nerdearla, por cierto, si no han ido, suscríbanse, es gratis. Ya tienen más de 7000. Agosto 5, agosto 6. Creo que tiene más de 7500. Leí hoy, de más que ahora más. Atendís. Va a ser híbrido. Si están en Argentina, no sé cómo funciona ir presencialmente, pero pero va a ser híbrido, obviamente online y presencial. Y es gratis, ya dije que es gratis. Tiene muchas charlas de muchos temas. No he revisado bien de qué hay, pero hay mucha gente conocida, es bueno. Yo he visto antes varios nerdearla. De hecho tenía stickers de nerdearla en otra de mis laptops. Y bueno, el caso es que yo voy a estar el sábado. Bien, voy a estar el sábado. Igual esto queda grabado en su canal de YouTube. Y es una charla muy bonita. Obviamente no les puedo dar mucho spoiler, bueno, la información, pero precisamente tiene que ver con hacer streaming like coding. Es muy chévere, creo que ellos van a estar haciendo promoción de la charla, de qué trata, pero básicamente voy a exponer por qué todo el mundo debería hacer esta actividad que hago yo acá. Why everyone should do streaming like coding for develop your professional career, for improve your professional career, and I will give you the tips, how to start, how to do it, etc. Where is the course published? The course is going to be published in YouTube. It's not published yet. I just have a few videos finished. I still need some polishing, but it will be publishing on YouTube. You can follow me in my socials, and of course I will let you know as soon as they are published. Oh shit, I want to socials. I think that's the command, right? Socials probably. Or follow? It's not that common. Yeah, follow. That works. So yeah, I will let you know. I still need Skirler TV. Gracias. Va a ser Spanglish. Pero muy importante, aprendan inglés. El inglés es importante. Pero sí, voy a estar dando esa charla. Pues obviamente ya me ven todos los días. Bueno, espero que sí. Pero estoy muy contento de participar en nerdearla. Y vamos a ver en qué otras charlas. Otro de mis objetivos, perdón, me muteé. Me puse nervioso. Eso es otro de mis objetivos de aquí en adelante, ya que la pandemia se apaciguó un poco. Start doing more talks. I love to do talks. I have given talks in meetups, for different companies, in my company, internal talks. But I would like to participate more in like conference, because in meetups is okay. Last Saturday I also gave a talk. By the way, check it. Hey, thanks for the sub. Porque hace la belleza. Dar subs. Gracias. ¿Cómo es que es el YouTube de Medellín CCS? Ups. Me dañaron la música. Es que tengo algo más raro con la música, pero bueno, ahí suena. Medellín CCS. A ver, sí. El sábado pasado, de hecho, también di esta está en español. Medellín CCS, yo no sé si la conocen. Esta es una comunidad de la que yo también hago parte. Y ahora el estado de CCS en el 2020. Pues obviamente fue en vivo. No quiere cargar. Creo que tengo el internet como jodido, maldita sea. Pero bueno, ups, la página no responde. What the fuck? Wait, maybe. Pero es como YouTube, que tiene problemas. Ok, YouTube. Murió, murió. Está bien. Como que mi computador hoy no le gustó que me fuera 4 vacaciones de vacaciones. Hola, Ani, ¿cómo estás? ¿Cómo estás? Venga, yo leo lo que están diciendo. Dice For Play, definitivamente quiero ese curso. Ya casi terminó todos los videos de YouTube. Oh, nice For Play. I love it. He escuchado en todo, supuestamente, pero en la velocidad. Ah, ok. You mean, Ferpicado, you mean like Fastify is really fast? Like the name, Fastify? Yes, I mean, they developed because they think Express it wasn't fast enough. So that's, yeah. Veo lagueado. Ah, ¿por qué? Por el HD, está en 1080p. Igual creo que hoy apparently the Twitch today is kind of crappy. That's what I heard. But, let's see. I think Chester Galindo, I'm free of apply for your latest courses. Chester Galindo, the courses for everyone. The courses are free for you. Be patient. It's not going to be like tomorrow or like that. I'm going to release module by module. The first module is the longest. I am half of the way to finish the recording, the edition, right? But they are going to be for free. Lo tenía en automático. This course will be very good. Yes. So, okay, today, we still have time. Yeah, we have plenty of time. I feel we have talked for like 2 hours already, but it has been 42 minutes, apparently. But yeah, that's basically the summary. Vacations, a lot of reading, a lot of setup. You know, I did a lot with the setup. Recording the course. A lot of traveling. I travel, I rest. Of course, I went to museums. Of course, I had fun as well. I'm just telling you whatever is related to the streaming and to the coding. But yeah, it's going. A lot of things are happening, right? New glasses, by the way, new glasses, and also I have like. Do you want to check my sunglasses with fórmula? With prescription, sorry, prescription. Fórmulas en español. Yo nunca había usado unos lentes de sol que tuvieran la fórmula. Que por cierto, voy a empezar a usar más gafas, que yo ya lo estaba haciendo en el streaming, porque para los que me conocen, yo normalmente cuando salgo a la calle yo uso lentes de contacto. ¿Por qué? Porque sí, porque igual tampoco es que esté tan ciego. Y estas son mis gafas de sol. Con fórmula, con prescripción. Ve, y puedo ver con ellas, porque con las otras no podía ver. Las otras creo que son más oscuras. Es interesante. Gafas de sol con fórmula. Ve, puedo ver. Va a estar todo brillante. Porque no debe ser muy recomendable codear con esto. Pero bueno. Pero, ¿qué pasó? Como que estoy teniendo una leve alergia a los lentes de contacto. Entonces, de hecho, voy a tener que usar los que son diarios, los que solo es de uso diario y ya. Y usarlos un poco menos para que la pequeña alergia se vaya. No es muy grave, o sea, no es nada del otro mundo, pues como que es muy breve. Pero igual con las gafas me siento cómodo. Lo que pasa es que, no sé, antes como que me molestaba más tener las gafas No, ¿cómo es? No, afuera como que sí es más cómodo tener los lentes de contacto. Porque como que con las gafas tienes que estar ahí, recordar que tienes gafas, básicamente. But yeah, so, okay, Annie, thank you for being here. No, Vito, the courses are free. I mean, what I'm going to do probably, but I'm not 100% sure, I might have some extra lessons. But those lessons are not going to interfere with your learning. Are going to be like extra lessons. That's what probably is going to happen. I'm going to have a few extra lessons, and that might be freemium, and that's going to be part of the Patreon, support. They will have access to every like paid thing regarding the courses. Patrons will have access for free. But that's probably something I'm going to have. By the way, Patreon now is going to be basically for those that want to decide which kind of content I want to. They will help me to decide what kind of content I will do, especially for YouTube. That's kind of the idea. English Street, yes. Guille, how are you? ¿Cómo estás? ¿Cómo estás, Guille? Hey, tiempo sin verte por acá, por cierto. Y viniste cuando ya dejamos de hablar. Lo peor. Hello, yes, Guille, you are VIP. Because my friends that are streamers are VIP in my channel, of course. Usually, you might be VIP because you are a streamer, you're a friend, or you helped me in the past somehow in another life. Oh no, really? What are you doing here? Get out! Finish your studies. At least it's about programming. If it's about programming, I can help you. Oh, by the way, someone asked me about an example of prototypes. I will show you that. And yeah, I mean, oh, what a nice flower I have in the background. It's I think it's a Japanese flower, cherry blossom, sakura or sakura. I don't really know how it's in Japanese. Maybe sakura. Kishe. Qué bueno tenerte por acá o haberte tenido. Miss Jaffa, thank you for the sub. Sorry, yes, it's there. Sorry, I turned off. I turned off the alerts because this is the view that I use to record the courses. But now it was there. It was there. You saw it. Thank you so much for the sub. I really appreciate it. Okay, so yes, so if we go to GitHub and we go to maybe me, I guess. I forget. I forget everything. I don't know how to code anymore. Help me. I don't know how to write Zero components, I think. If we go to GitHub Zero components, that's the repo of the project, by the way. Probably. Oh wait, what? That's the repo, right? But I guess we can go here. Maybe the molecules, they have nice prototypes. Maybe the at bottom. Let's see. I don't really remember shape. I just need to find something that says shape, right? Shape. Let me see. Yeah, buttons. Okay, you can see. This is how you. Well, maybe that one is not that nice. Yeah, maybe this one. You can see. So this is an object. Secondary action is an object. So you just say prototype shape, and it's a function, and you need to pass an object, and then every attribute has its own prototypes. That's it. That's the way that you create a object inside a prop. Yes, I guess. I think that was. Well, Guiche, I better enter university. Nice to see you coding. Thank you. Yeah, I was chatting, but it's fine. Okay, so finally, shape es fijo. Yes. Or do you want a dynamic object? That's another story, and I don't really know how to make it dynamic. Oh, okay, I see. Yes, you can just take a look. If you search for prototype shape, you will see different examples. Yeah. Also, if it's like different types, is one off, and this will be an array, but that's different. That's like like this, like an array or different values, not an object, of course. Okay. So last time we were like updating dependencies. This has been a hard task. Yeah, it's really annoying. In fact, I had to update dependencies again because every week there are like fixes and stuff, but it wasn't any like major upgrade, right? If you take a look here, or maybe I can go to the package.json. It was just like simple bug fixes, right? Like patch updates, no major or everything. So the last time we did the upgrade of dependencies, we lost StoryShots. We did a lot of research. Apparently, StoryShots is deprecated. The storybook team is working on a new solution for that. So we realized that we can use this thing. What was the name? It was Storybook Testing React. We can use Storybook Testing React to get the stories. And this is really interesting for testing. If you are using a Storybook, this is a really nice thing. Like I am amazed how Storybook has been working on testing UI components more easier for us, because then you don't have to duplicate the scenarios. So yeah, so long story short, we have to write our own snapshot formula, but it's not that hard. Like this is like the code. But I was wondering, we can do two things. First, we can kind of move this to a helper function. So right now, if I run tests, let me show you. So all tests work. The story shots are not working anymore. So we need like to do one by one, or probably create some kind of thing that fixes it for us automatically. Yeah, let me see. Yes. So as you can see here for the button, this used to be the way that we create the snapshots before. It was okay, it worked, but with this new way, it's written almost as it should be, and I kind of like it because it's much better. Somehow it's more close to the real thing, you will say. But now it's not that automatic. Remember, with the StoryShots, every story will turn into a snapshot. That's why we have a snapshot for everything here, because that was automatically. But now that we can't not use StoryShots, we have to like maybe create this block. But I was wondering that we can maybe somehow read all the stories somehow. Probably. I don't really know. I mean, in theory. But I don't know what is easier. I mean, it's not that many stories. Because I was wondering, at the end, what we are doing is just, we are taking the stories. So we will have to take all the files that finish with the stories, right? That stories. And then what we can do is, in this case, like use the composed stories. And then we just iterate this. But that's going to be a problem. Because then, or maybe not, I think it's configuration. What should we do? The problem, if I move this to a file, like if I try to grab out, like do an automation to grab all the stories and create the snapshots based on the stories using one file, I might end up having everything in one snapshot file, and I don't want that. But I know there is a way to set up that. Maybe with just config. But I wonder, because our idea is to finish these upgrade dependencies. Maybe we want to just create the function, the generic function, use it in another story, check that it works, maybe copy and paste it in every file by now. And in the future, we can create this unique snapshot file. Maybe that's something that we can do. So let's do this. Move this to to a kind of utility file. So where should I put that? That's kind of complicated. Like helper, storybook, maybe. This is more like a testing helper. Do I have utils? Test utils. Oh yes, I definitely have that. What is match media mog? Okay, this is for testing. This is one of the hardest thing, part of naming things, where to put the stuff. Damn, because it's like test utils. Maybe like snapshot, create snapshot. Let's call it like that. Let's call a new file, create snapshot, snapshot.js. Yeah, maybe. Of course, it's going to be a function, create snapshot. That's obvious. Export default, create snapshot. We can just like copy and paste this basically. Let me see. Yeah, we can copy and paste this whole block, I will say. Yeah. Oh, can I do that? Yeah, I guess I can do that. No. Yes, maybe. Yeah, I guess it's valid, right? And then we have the composed stories here. So what I think we can do, not sure, can I make this outside? Yeah, I guess I can do this like that. Let me try it. Have you used the stories feature for story? I haven't. But I think it's a really nice thing for use if you want to create a sort of design system using Storybook as your bare bones. That's kind of the thing that I might include in the pay version of the courses, like stuff that we want to experiment in the future. I don't really know, but let's see. Okay, the render. What is the render? The render, it comes from, okay, testing library. Let me see. What else? And the compose, it comes from this. So, by the way, I'm just going to test watch. And then this should be okay. This is not button, by the way. So this is really, I mean, yeah, this is fine. I can put like component name, component name, and then what I can do is read like this. Maybe this is not create snapshot, but create snapshot for every story. Create snapshot from stories. I guess that will be the kind of rename symbol. Create a snapshot from stories. Yeah, but then I need to rename this. Rename it. It's a pretty long name, but that's okay. And then in theory, what I can do is like right button here, right? And then stories. And then, well, I don't need this. And then I can just like, you know, remove this whole piece of code, right? And then I can remove this. Also this. Oh, damn it. This. And of course I need to import this. And for that, I can import it from utils, wherever. How is the thing? Oh. My thing is not working. Okay, I can do it manually. I don't mind. Utils. Test utils. Like this. Let me see. Does it work? No, apparently not. Aha. Oh, React is not defined. Well, okay. Right, because we need to import React. Yeah, we need to import React when we are using CSS, right? Let's see. I guess we will see a slightly difference probably. It is working. Let's like delete the snapshots, by the way. Rerun. All test. The only problem with this approach. Okay, yeah, it's working. I mean, it's of course creating the snapshot. The only problem with this approach is like, of course, we will have to create a test file for every component. And I'm so lazy for this, or maybe not. So I wonder, it is worth it to try the other hypothesis, like because then let me see, is this working, by the way? I don't really. We have like a fourth. Oh, what? What do you mean with the storybook doesn't? Oh, because that's true. That's true. I was. Oh my god. I told you I forgot everything about this project already. So we have a few things to fix now that we have upgraded dependencies. So the snapshots is one thing. So we are working on it. the SVG thing. So the React SVG implementation, we need to, but I will let that to the last one. So, okay. The snapshots, the linting, we need to check if it's working. And then the linting, it also involves the commit lint thing. And the semantic release. I guess yeah, those three things. Because I guess the build, we will see here that I think the storybook is working without any issues at all. So let me put in the center. If I know run, a storybook is working. But is the whole linting and Husky. Husky is the one that is also like, we need to check. Because Husky has like a really big release. Did we like upgrade Husky? Let me see. Husky? Yes, we need to fix Husky and commit link. Yeah, all the. So yeah, it's slow as always, but this is working. Like, this is okay. This is definitely working. We also should try, when we fix everything, we also should try the new version on a storybook using SBuild. No, maybe not SBuild, but the new thing, the new Webpack version, Webpack 5, because it's supposed to be faster. Because the storybook is quite slow, but in theory with Webpack 5 is better. So the storybook is working. The build, is the build working? Jarm build. Let me see. Build storybook. Let's see it. It's working or what? Vite. Yeah, I think it's storybook Vite, but storybook Webpack 5. But I don't know if it's a good idea to move to Vite. Because remember that we use somehow, I mean, here we also use Webpack, and we kind of like that we can use like same configuration. I know, and still next they use Webpack as well, right? So if I'm not wrong. Yeah, in theory, they have like, oh, they will support. You probably send us around Snowpacks, build, Victor, yeah. So, yeah, its build is super fast. And Victor is based on its build, right? But what is like the documentation docs? They have here like configure, maybe. What is like Webpack? Builders. Okay. Oh, they have it already here. It's fast. Yeah, I don't know. That would be too much. Code splitting. Yes. Story store. I want to test this. Code splitting, Webpack 5, of course, and lazy compilation. And I don't know what is this, but maybe I want it. I want everything, of course. This is like CSS modules? No, this is for the Super SAS. Okay. Yeah, I guess I want to use still Webpack 5. That's what we want. Theory is faster. Okay, in theory, there is a storybook static here, storybook static, and this should work, right? If I open this, no. Can I open this? Open. Open what? Open with in default browser. Yeah, looks like it's working. This is the static file. Alvaro, how are you? So we have this component library that we did in React using a storybook with documentation, and it's really nice. It's working. It's deployed to npm, but we just upgraded dependencies and we screw a few stuff. Like we screwed the snapshot testing because the StoryShot is not really compatible with the last version of Jest. So we had to fix that, and we were able to do a snapshot testing using a new approach from a storybook. What is the name of that? I keep forgetting the name. It's testing Riyadh, storybook testing Riyadh. It's an interesting approach. But it means that for every component, I will have to write a test file like this. Like button, it has it because it was testing, it was doing behavior testing. So behavior testing is when you click stuff, user events. And oh man, I don't know if we should we do the whole file approach. That will be nice for the storybook community, because I know the only one is struggling with the StoryShots thing. I migrated from Create Wrap app to Bite and passed from 20 minutes of dev server start only for 20 minutes or 2 minutes. 400 milliseconds. Yeah, I know that the thing is, like, this project is not that big, and I also think that Webpack 5 with the other features also is fast. It's not the fastest, but it's fast. But of course we can, like, you know, test both maybe. Yeah, the builder plugin. Yeah, but as I said, the thing with that is I don't know. We can try it. Let's see. Let's fix the whole project, and then we can check. So, man, let's check the linting. Jar lint. Is the linting working? I think it's not working, right? Oh, yeah. Printer is not working. Aha, why is not working? I can run jar lint gs fix maybe, and that will fix it. It's going to fix the printer. I think printer rules change. Oh, okay. It feels safe. Let me see. So button, yeah, that was linting stuff, linting. This is just linting stuff. Oh, it's a new rule? What is doing the rule, by the way? Oh, what? That's ugly. Why? Okay, printer. It's okay. I mean, you want to do that. It's very ugly, but it's what it is, right? Okay, so if I run jarlin, I think it's working. Okay, that's fine. But the commit link, that's one is the one that is not working. If I do blah blah blah, let me see. The husky, I think it's the husky run not found. Okay. Oh man, let's create a to-do here, just for my future me to do. So move this to a generic approach where it reads all the stories and, I don't know, work as StoryShot. A man can dream, right? So this is my to-do. By the way, I have a new plugin regarding to-dos. To-do highlight. To-do, right? All right, show tree view. But that's a thing. Nah, it's fine. Let's to-do, highlight list, highlight all. How many to-dos I have in this project? I thought I have a lot of to-dos, but I think it's not that much, really. Yeah, I have this one. I have custom province can view. Oh, okay, I have this one, right? But that's yeah, I will fix it with SAS. What is this? Tokens? Oh, okay. Yes. Oh, No, I don't really know how to fix that yet. Definitely is a natural molecule. The model, I guess but this is like an old file. Coverage. Wait. Coverage. We should like delete this. Is coverage working? Yeah, coverage. This is like all files. This is Zero web. Yeah, we don't have that many to dos here. We are good. We are really good, by the way. So yarn test coverage. Yes, and maybe the HTML. Oh, maybe it was the HTML. Let's just the coverage. Coverage now is going to suck because the snapshot testing, if I'm not wrong. Yeah, it's going to suck. Right now, if we go to our website, coverage is really nice. Because we had StoryShots. So if we go here, we have 85% coverage. Since this is just mostly like UI components, we do a lot of structural testing here, right? But now running coverage on untested files. What is happening here? It's like taking too much. Okay, yeah. So it really sucks, of course. Yeah, do I have like the general? Yeah, look, it really sucks. That's why we need to fix the snapshot testing. Okay, so I still don't really know what is going to be easier. It's just like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Let's do one step at a time, as we said before. Let's just copy and paste. I know it's annoying, but it's not going to be that bad. So we can just kind of create a template. So like new file, avatar, this is going to be, and then we can think in the future with the fix me and make this more generic, right? So I'm just going to copy this approach here. No, like this approach. Probably this. Let me see. I don't like that this has like the description. No, but it's necessary. Yeah. Maybe. Arms button. Maybe can I create this in a better way? Well, it's okay. It's okay. Let's just copy this. So for the avatar, yeah, going to close here. So of course this is going to be avatar. This is not needed. So this is going to be Command D, Command D, Command D, avatar, right? Yeah. And that's it. Basically. It wasn't that bad, if you think about it. You can even create it like this. Right? It wasn't that bad. Let's see. And also we need to delete the snapshots. It's going to create a new snapshot here, but I need to delete like all stories.js that is not, basically, because those are the old snapshots. And I don't want that. Oh, what happened? One fail. Okay. Okay. It's not defined. Oh, of course, of course. Of course. Import, create, not different stories from. Why my plugin? I have a plugin that is like super, like, how is called my plugin? Oh, what is the plugin command? I keep forgetting those. Oh man, it wasn't like that. Well, it's okay. I hate when plugins stop working. Just utils, create snapshot from that. Okay, now that should work, right? Yes, so it's here. So we have the snapshot of the different stories. Yeah, it doesn't really hurt that much. I mean, it's going to be this file over and over again. So if I copy here, so I have avatar, I should delete all these files. Let me, what is the best way to delete those files one by one. I mean, I'm already doing that, right? So why bother to do a generic thing? Well, I remember I have an alias for that. So if I go here, let me see. I think I can do it. I have an alias here. I have an alias called Oric, like that. So I could do something like this. Let's just like this. This is a dangerous command. That stories. That what is the name of the snapshot? Stories. JS. That snap. I should list first, right? How do I list stuff? How do I list files? Like this, maybe? Stories.js, snap. Can I do that? Like list record. Oh, yeah. In fact, it was like that. Yeah, there is no anything weird here. Yeah. So, oh, we also need that for the tokens. Okay. So now I can, damn it. What? Okay. What is my comment? So it was like this. That stories.js, that snap, right? Okay, let's do it. And in theory, that should delete all my old, right? Okay, yes. All my snapshot, all the snapshot files should be deleted. Okay, so now let's copy this and card. So card doesn't have any snapshot because, oh, wait, paste. Perfect, rename card, and then here, of course, this is card, and we can continue like doing the the test. Nah, it's fine. What I can do is just like copy, check, paste. Oh, this is so annoying, man. Let me see. So check, so rename, check test, right? And I can like copy. Oh man, check. Items check. There should be a better way to do this, of course. But that's like, there is like this way to measure if it's worth it to do an automation. Have you heard about it? There is like a table. Like you can check like when is worth it to automate something. I think it's kind of a meme. Yeah, it's kind of a meme. But I can't find it. So it's fine. Continue with the amazing job of copy and paste. So copy, divider, paste. I mean, it's for the baby steps. Divider test. This is the kind of task that you should, for the new guy in your team. You just give them the most annoying task. That's a great opportunity when a new team member, when a new member joins your team, you just give him the most annoying task. He won't care because he is like his first task. He can't fail. Man. Okay. Yes, this is going well. Almost done. Paste. What? Oh, yeah. By the way, this helper doesn't have any text. Okay, doesn't really matter. Rename. Icon. Great. Life is amazing. Icon. Yes. One more. This is like proper music for this kind of task, you know? Input. Paste. Rename. Input. Amazing. Oh, shit. Input. Great. Link. Paste. Rename. Link. Great. Link. Great. Loading. Loading all the components. All the components. Loading. This is life of a programmer. Oh man. Sometimes it's like this. Just a repetitive task. By the way, I have been now automating a lot of stuff. I have this Alfred. Do you know Alfred? And you can create like workflows. And you can automate a lot of stuff. And I have like different like workflows, for instance. Like for close-ups, you know, for start streaming. I open a few files. It's pretty interesting. I am testing this one. This is like a new thing. Automation task. Alfred 5 is the new version of Alfred, but it's not working. And I hate it. It's not working. And also you can do a lot of automation with your shortcuts app on iPhone. It's very interesting. I have this issue. I don't know if you know the Mark IV, like the Sony headphones. So they have this NFC connection. So you have an Android phone, you can just like put your Android phone here, and it will like connect. How do you call it when you connect a device via Bluetooth? You can pair. So basically you put your Android, if it's of course paired before, it's like automatically pair your Android phone with your headphones, just like put it in an aside. But in iPhone doesn't work automatically, but you can do it creating a shortcut. So it's very nice. It's kind of code in your iPhone to improve your workflows. Okay, we are almost finishing and to be honest, like atoms are the most annoying ones. So paragraph. Yes, paragraph. Paragraph. Oh man, paragraph. Almost there, almost there. And rename. Picture. Great. Picture. This is full of StoryShots. StoryShots was a nice idea. They just lied to us. But we will build our own version of StoryShots. You will see. We will do it in a streaming this week, probably. I just want to make sure this is like, you know, this area. What is true is upgrade dependencies is a really boring task, complicated. Okay, we finished the add-ons. Let's just run tests. Watch, no, just test, so we can write, and we can see how much coverage we have covered, basically. That's going to be really nice. Because yeah, I guess we have most of the atoms, and then the molecules. We don't have any organism, right? No. Molecules are just 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, just more 10. I feel today my terminal is like very slow for some reason. That's it. Oh, oh, oh shit! A lot of stuff, a lot of stuff is failing. Why? Oh, okay. Oh, okay. Okay, but window match media. But hey, man, that's not fair. I have that, right? Match media mock, right? It's not taking my match media mock. What the fuck? Setup. Oh, no, model mapper. Where was that? Match media mock. No, match media. Okay, I have this here, but how does it work? So I have a file here. Let's check the link. I totally forgot. How is this supposed to work? Oh, wait. Maybe I have just config? Do I have a mocks? No, I have test utils here, but I don't have anything else. So you need to somehow include this, right? Yeah, import before test. Okay. Okay. So maybe for this modal, what is my modal? Probably I was importing that in the... yeah, probably I was importing that thing in... before. Import match media mock. What's the name? Yeah, match media mock from... and it's the same from utils. Test... what? Utils... test utils match media mock. It just import, direct import. Okay. Okay, that was one thing. Modal, and what else? Yeah, modal. Oh, I guess is where the different modals. Okay. Okay. Sorry, I got distracted by my phone. Yeah, probably I had... do I have this in my... or what's the name of the pull request? This pull request now is super old. I always open a pull request with a date. I go to vacations, and now it's not valid anymore. Okay, now it's like... it's almost working. Okay, 3 failing. Okay, that's good news, right? That's a lot of good tests. Get style is not a function. Oh, that's true. Oh man. That's... okay, that was unexpected. Why the others are working? What is the difference between get styles? So we had this area, and this area is using get styles, and of course it's because we have with the styles, right? And what is happening in the stories? What is the difference? What is this? Oh man. Oh, picture is also using get styles. What? But wait. But button, it wasn't button using get styles. Of course, button it was using but get styles. Yeah. Why it's not defined? Template, okay, template. Is this area not using templates? Yeah, default. I don't really understand. We had the default one, we had the styles. this area. Oh, wait. No, yes. This is working. Okay, this area, test. This area stories. Yeah, this area. I don't really understand why. Picture? Okay. Let's just run this with watch. Here we go with the weird problems. Man. Damn it. With the weird problems. It's okay. Can survive. Okay, so run only fail test. F. Okay, so what is the difference? Make difference. So picture. Okay, get the styles. Right. And then it's like default, right? Export default. And then you have pictures test. And then you import every stories from picture. Oh, I know what is happening. You need to import from picture stories. That's why. Oh man, I'm a genius. Not a genius, I don't know. I was lucky. Stories. Why? Wait, when did this happen? Yeah, look, this happened like suddenly. Like I modal. Okay, just one failing. Paragraph. Aha, paragraph is the culprit, maybe. Paragraph. That was weird. The stories. Yes. We have it. Almost there. Okay, yeah, it's great. So now if I run test coverage, remember we have like 20% coverage or less in every aspect. This work now should improve the coverage by a lot. By a lot, believe me. Close others. Before the tested file. Okay, yeah. Oh shit, like this. The coders take too much. I mean, it's not supposed that Jess last version should be faster. Just like maybe this storybook testing thing is not that fast. I don't feel this should belong to our utils folder, by the way. I feel, I mean, maybe. Okay, so the coverage improved by a lot. Now we are really close to the 60%, but of course I'm pretty sure if we just write the coverage, I mean just the test. Let me copy this. Not this one, maybe not. Yeah, if we just copy this for the molecules, we are going to get the 85%. We should get the 81%. 85. Okay, so if we go to molecules and we go to accordion and we just like paste the file here and we rename it accordion. And there is one difference here. It's not just the naming. Accordion. That was what happened. Like, oh man, really? And now it's not atoms, now it's molecules as well. Molecules, right? And now we have the base for the others. So we go here, paste. We have add button tests, maybe? No, really? Name. Button test. And then the same. Button. Yeah, I guess we need just to copy this manually. It's better. Oh, what? Wait. I missed this one. Button. Okay, great. So same story. That wasn't that painful. Button icon. Test, and then it's just button icon. Great. Drop down. The nicest drop down in the world. Drop down. Great. And then here, just drop down. Great. Okay. Error. Rename. Error. By the way, I was thinking that we should also because I change English, a lot of my audience, they speak only Spanish, and I know not everyone might be able to join me in the English version. And because English speakers, they might appear and they are like, what the fuck, what is this project? And they can't really catch up with the project. I was thinking that we also should try do another small project similar to the Sobre. By the way, one of my tasks on vacation was to release the production version of the Sobre. I didn't. Oh man, it has the lowest priority ever. I should. Loading error. We are almost there. Almost there. Loading error. So I don't know, maybe we can like warm up doing some code wars, something interesting. Should we learn a new language? I would like to learn what is the name of the language? Dysfunctional language. Score is like, doesn't really matter, but no, score, let's just delete this file. To trash. Score is not needed. Score, we have problems with the score. Task, okay, rename. Task, test. What is the name of this programming language that is fully functional? Task counter, just rename it to task counter. Rename it. Task counter, yes. Task counter, okay. Oh, no, with the stories. I don't want to happen again. Stories, great. Okay, I think we have everything. Let's just run the test. Then we run the coverage. Then we will have our 85%. And then we are basically done with this whole testing thing after upgraded dependencies. It was really painful, unfortunately, because StoryShot doesn't work with the last version of Jest. I wonder if, let me see if in the Discord channel of the storybook, if they have new information regarding, oh, it's like, nothing is working on my computer today. Okay, everything is good, apparently. Yes, okay, let's do coverage. Let's do coverage. Oh, look. What? Now? Are we talking? Oh, it's because this open... Okay. This open faster. Why is opening first? I guess it's fine. But this script is kind of confusing. Let me see. It's parallel, right? Maybe. Yarn test coverage and open. Oh, maybe. Oh, I think. Can I do it like sequential? I guess I need to detach. I need to do it in this way because I need to detach the command. Oh man, but this. A worker has failed to execute or has been forced. This is like caused by test leaking to improper teardown. Try running with the TED open handlers to fail leaks. At the time, it's also called this. Ensure. Okay. Okay, now I don't know. Okay. Now we have our coverage back. Oh. But we're missing some stuff here. Layout. Oh, of course. The layout. Okay. Okay, but that's good news. Our coverage improved by a lot now. Oh man, I totally forgot the layout, but it's okay. Let me see. Copy. So the layout, we have center and content. Paste. And this is like rename. Centered content. Centered content. Okay, great. And then if I copy and paste this. Oh, I kept forgetting. Oh man. Centered content. Centered content. Great. And now the new file. Now this is container. Container. Great. Container. Full head content. Oh, and this needs to be layout, no molecules. Layout. I completely forgot. This is layout. Layout. So yeah, I'm thinking like we should like start something new in order to the newcomers to get used to the content of here. Hey, full hey content. Yes. Full hey. Oh, this is a hard word to content. Okay, full hey content, great. And the spacer. The spacer one is tricky because we have stories by the spacer. Yes. So if I paste here, we have stories, rename, spacer, and then spacer, great. Bottom, why at bottom? The handlers, yeah. But then, do we have more stuff here? Oh yes, definitely. Look this. Okay, it's okay. So horizontal, you have also this. Horizontal, and this is tricky because horizontal. This is tricky because this one is in another level, so we need just to, you know, take that into account. And then for vertical, this is the last one, and we are done with this theme, I promise. Vertical, yes, and we are done. Let me run the coverage one more time. And then I can commit these changes. And we have get rid of the problems with testing. And then I guess, yeah, it's going to take more time, probably not for today. Then we will have to fix Husky. And then the commit link, not the commit link, the semantic release. We have to link in stage. Sorry, link stage. Husky link stage. Husky JS maybe. This one, okay. Oh, to fail. What the fuck? Vertical. Can't find module. Damn it. Why? Spacer. Components. Vertical. Why not? Can't find module. Lotus creates nature front to the top. Okay. Why not? I mean, if you go up, you go up, you go up. Oh, it was one more? Guess it was one more. Really? But I made sure to write one more. What happened? Oh, baby's two more. Damn it. Okay, it's fine. So, yes, what is the website? Their website says, let me put in the center. So the website says docs. Do we have some kind of, yeah, migrate from version 4 to 5 to 4 to 8. So package scripts. So if you were calling package JSON script using npm, you can simply copy your commands. So now instead of, but I have a Husky JSON, right? Husky, yeah, I have this. Okay, I have this, that's okay. Okay. Oh, no, right, that's the thing. Now we need to write in this way. Okay, now, wait. Coverage? Right, now the coverage is pretty good. Yeah, score is obviously going to fail because we just skipped that one. This one is okay because we are not testing the handlers. We can do that later. We can do that tomorrow, like finish testing. What is this? Stories? What the fuck? Oh, we have some handlers here. Yeah, we should move those handlers. I would like to do that. Like, move those handlers outside and then why not? Some, housekeeping work. Trying to get 100% coverage. Oh man, that's crazy. So okay, so now we need to, okay, so this is what we are going to do tomorrow at the start of the stream, like migrating Husky, and then local install binary. We're calling directly locally binary, like Jess, right? Like link stage or that kind of thing. You need to run the via package manager. Okay, so John Jess. Okay. Get params, commit link, right? Yes. Oh shit. How does it work? Every binary pattern replaced binary parents. 1, 2. So it means like now it needs to be like that. Jar command edit. Okay. Oh, it's not that much. It's not that much, to be honest. Like jar link. We can do it right now, right? Oh. I guess. So Husky. So I need to create like this file. Okay, so this is like working. Okay. So now I need to do this. Let's just write this like snapshot testing. So this is going to be test snapshot. Replace snapshot testing. Replace StoryShots for just directly directly for jest. Okay, of course, no verify, and then we push. And we should like, change this name of the branch, right? It's first, upgrade dependencies on 2022, and this is not June. This is July. That's okay. Let's push this branch as well. Great. We can do this real quick because I looks like it wasn't that difficult. Let's just try follow these 3 steps, and if that works, great. If not, we will fix it tomorrow. At least we can just, you know. So I need to create this folder called Husky, and then in Husky I need to create 2 files. New file, break commit, right? And what is the other one? And commit message, right? That's what I understood. Commit message, basically. Wait, for here, for instance. Yeah, exactly. You can see here. Okay, it's like a common, you know, usage. So looks good. So for instance, in the pre-commit, so now I just like run the package. Okay, lean stage. So pre-commit, lean stage, and that's it. And the commit message, which is going to be this one. Great. But then they say, hey, if you were using like, you know, this kind of thing, now you need to use Jarm. So they use Jarm. The same here, I guess. Commit message, Jarm, probably. What it says with the pre-commit, jar, yeah, okay. So that's okay. So pre-commit, link stage, commit message, jar commit, and now this is going to be different. Like this is going to use like the edit parameter, edit, and then this is going to use like the parameter 1, okay. So it means I can delete the Husky, what is the Husky JSON? Yes, this one. This one is like gone, delete, right? Yeah, go to trash. Let's see if I commit this. Commit. Oh, shit. Why? No! No, why commit? No, man, don't do that. Damn it, let's change something from the readme. In English, this is going to be in English now. In English, this is a commit message. No, damn. Hey Sikotsis, how are you? Damn. Oh, sorry, that's not true. We are working on this one, and the messages are in Spanish. I need to change them. I will change them for tomorrow, I promise, in English, because oh man, damn. So commit link is not working at all. Great. And Husky is not working at all. Keep house not working after an install. Okay, so wait. But that's strange because it says like pre-commit. It should. Let me see. Jar in stage. Can I run this? Lean stage. No stage file phones. That's true. Let me see. No stage fields match any configured task. Really? How do I test link stage? Style, no, this is not link stage. Okay. Husky. Wait, I'm missing something. I'm doing something wrong. No, that's okay. Pre-commit. Pre-commit. I don't really understand. So this is okay, right? Pre-commit. Husky pre-commit. Yeah, and Husky is not like complaining. Okay, so usage automatically Husky in it. Command line. Should I run npm esc maybe? No. Instead, npm s. No. Command line. Maybe. I don't know, man. Husky. For play. Husky lo que nos permite es correr comandos en los hooks de los commits. Entonces, ¿qué pasa? Cuando yo vaya a hacer commit, yo quiero que antes de que haga commit me corra una serie de comandos para los archivos que están pues que van a ser comiteados, ¿cierto? Que están en el staging area. Entonces, en este caso, me va a correr el linter de los JSON y de los SS. Entonces, me va a correr todos los linter. Es para asegurarme como que, hey, solo puedo hacer commit si el linter ha pasado. Entonces, eso es algo que hacemos. Y también, en teoría, debería de chequear que el mensaje de commit tenga una estructura compatible con commit line. Se supone que eso lo debería hacer. Aquí está. Se supone. Pero eso no está pasando. O sea, yo no podría copiar mensajes así como en este momento. Como que commit message. Esa no es la estructura. O sea, esto no debería dejar hacer. Yo tengo esto que se llama commit link, que se supone que debería funcionar. Pero vamos a revisar por qué no está pasando. Pero hay dos cosas pues como diferentes acá. npmx. En stage. A ver, mx. No. Ok, no. No sé qué es npmx. No. Yo creo que si es yarn debería funcionar acá. Yo creo que no, esto no debería ser razonable. Si la documentación de ellos dice que esto debería funcionar con yarn, creámosle a la documentación por ahora. Yo sé que yarn, pues yarn igual es un poquito más limpio, pero hay alguna razón por la que Husky no está corriendo. Entonces, crea hook. Entonces dice que para crear hook, como pre-commit, me da commit y va a correr como test. Ok. Pero hay algo muy raro. ¿Y qué pasa si como que corremos Husky con jar 2, con jar 1, así? ¿Qué pasa si hacemos esto? De pronto reconoce Husky otra vez. Entonces era muy interesante porque en este proyecto nadie podía hacer como commits malos. O enviar archivos que no se les hubiera corrido los linter. Entonces era como que siempre en el pull request todo tenía ya prerecorrido, todo tenía hasta el link. Entonces digamos el code review era enfocado en tu código más que en la presentación del código, porque nosotros ya tenemos en reglas de pre y todo eso. That was the idea. Pero vamos a ver por qué, no sé. What it should do. Okay, so it modified this one. What the fuck? Let me see. So it changed something here. Let me see. Okay, okay, so yeah, I changed this. That's okay. Prepare. It's prepared. Husky install. Prepare what? And then Husky. No. Ok, esto no. Bueno, no sé qué es esto. Yo creo que no cambió mucho, la verdad. De hecho, no hizo nada. De hecho, fue como, what the fuck. No hizo mucha diferencia. No creo que ese prepare haga como una cosa diferente. A ver, miremos. Prepare. Ok. What? Ok, pero esto es bueno. Esto es bueno. ¿Qué dice? The Husky pre-commit hug was ignored because it's not set as executable. You can disable. Oh, ok. Ah, eso es una buena razón. Executable. Creo que son los permisos. Claro. Oh, ok. ¿Y cómo cambio eso? ¿Debería haber documentación acerca de eso? With a custom script. No. Command of hooks not running. Ok. Ah, pero eso es... Antes no veía este mensaje. Ok. Entonces lo que tengo que hacer es cambiar este señor. Así. Y pre-commit. Bien. Y luego el commit message. Ok. Y ahora sí. A ver, prepare. Ahora sí está haciendo cosas. No, ¿por qué está corriendo test? No. Ah, porque me lo cambió este desgraciado. Claro, me cambió esta cosa. Momento. ¿Y por qué dice Husky SH? Ah, ok. De pronto necesitaba eso. Bueno, pero eso no es lo que quiero que haga. Esperen. ¿Por qué no me abre nada? Ok. Precommit. Ok, quizás faltaba esto. Pero qué feo eso. A ver, miremos. Install. Husky np save dev np enable to my have git enabled. Set the scripts prepare. Ok, eso es necesario. You should have. Ok. Jar does also prepare. Light cycle. Crea hook. Ok. Es muy raro. O sea, la versión manual es como que... espere un momento. Claro, pero yo ya no quiero esto. Entonces yo ya lo que quiero es que aquí realmente me corra yarn lint stage. ¿Cierto? ¿Ese era el que tenía antes? Ya no me acuerdo. Y en el commit message, entonces voy a tener que copiar esto acá también. Bien. Entonces vamos a ver si funciona. Entonces mira aquí como message. Entonces aquí en teoría me iría a correr los dos hooks. Eso. Bien, perfecto. Si te das cuenta... Oh, no sé por qué cambié español. If you notice, now it says, hey, the message is wrong. It's like... And that's great. So now that is working... But I have to... let me see. So, install Husky. Then enable git hooks. Okay. To automatically have git hooks enabled as install, edit package, prepare. Oh, okay. You should have this. Okay, so this is important. And I did the automatic way. So I will set to Husky, modify packages, and create a sample pre-commit hook that you can edit. By default, it will run npm test when you commit. To add another hook, use git Husky add. For example, npm Husky add message. Okay. Interesante. Let me see. If I remove this one, delete to trash, and I use this. Oh, so it's exactly the same thing. Okay, interesting. But no, I want Jarm. Of course. Damn it. I want Jarm. Did 1. Okay, so message. So this is the commit link, the message of the commit. That's okay. So if I run yarn commit, it should be able to run this. Oh no, this is like not working. Okay, yarn commit is not working. Let me see. So that's another thing that I need to fix. So, okay, so looks like Husky is okay, but let me see. Husky. So it needs prepare. So I don't want this. I want this. Let me run yarn, please. That's the version that I had. Okay, so that's okay. Why it needs prepare? This is strange. That's super weird that Husky needs like this thing here. You get ignored. Oh, it's ignoring this. Maybe this is the prepare to write this file, and this is like ignoring this. Okay, interesting. I guess it's a better a better approach somehow, and that's why they changed it. I don't really remember that. Okay, I guess Husky is okay, but I need to see why my committee send is not working. So committee send, what is it? Committee send is kind of this. It's like in an interactive way to write the commit message, because now I know how I need to write the commits. Like it needs to have some structure. So in theory, this committee send should help me, you know, with the commit message. Okay, now it's running the line stage. Is great. So this shouldn't be like that. So this is like not working. So let's see why it's happening. Maybe it's, you know, what happened with this? When was the last commit? 9 days ago. Okay, that's okay. So commit is in npm, okay, or as npm script. So it should pop up this, but it's not doing it. Commit isn't friendly. Oh, okay, I think it's commit isn't friendly because it needs some kind of, it needs something. Commit link, maybe? No. What do you need it? I remember it was okay. Major repo commit isn't friendly. What it needs for commit isn't friendly? So commit isn't as global, inits, conventional changelog, say dead, say sad. Okay, but do I have some kind of commit isn't friendly thingy here? Probably. No? I thought I have, because I have a semantic release. Hey, Julián, ¿cómo estás? ¿Qué tal todo? Yo sé quién sos vos. Por acá estuvo... ¿Cómo es? Grondona. Creo que es Grondona el apellido de él. Se me olvidó el nombre ya. Oh, man, we are trying to fix something. Fucking committing is not working. Why it's not working? Fuck, no. Help. Wait, there was a problem with the editor supplement. No, committees and pat. Ah, espere. By the way, this is a lot of Spanglish. Sorry. In stage, this is working. Commit link. In theory, this should work. Release. I remember this was committing friendly because we were using semantic release. Okay. Making your repo committing friendly. For example, we're setting our to use Angular, blah blah blah. Okay, so you install it globally. Then you need a conventional changelog. Init. If you are using yarn. Now, if you want to first install with all adapter, double command does 3 things for you. Installs the CC conventional changelog adapter npm module. Okay, let's see if we have that one. No, but I think, oh man, really? Save as to package JSON dependencies. Adds the config committees and key to the row of your package JSON. Okay. Install and run committees locally. Okay. Yes. Committee send. Do I have it as a dependency? Yes. And the changelog conventional. We have commit link config conventional. Is this not commit link? Okay, but Okay, wait. This will be convenient for users because if they want to do a commit, all they need to do is run commit and they will get prompts and need to start commit. Note, if you are using pre-commit, hooks tends to something like Husky, you will need to name your script something other than commit. Oh, the reason is because npm script has a feature where it automatically runs scripts. Oh, okay. Where it automatically runs scripts with the name press, where blah 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 is the name of another script. In a sense, npm and Husky will run pre-commit scripts twice if you name the script commit. And the workaround is to prevent, okay, running on git commit. Oh shit, no, this looks like very messy. Okay, should I try? Husky, for Husky, add the following configuration for the project package.json file. Should I try? Oh, pre-commit message. This is interesting. We can change like this thing, maybe. Like running commit is on git commit. So then I don't have to. Oh, this is like. So right now, in order to like, you know, let's try this. Maybe if that's true, like yarn. It will prompt. Okay, it's doing stuff. Wait. No, but it's prompting run. Okay. So this is not even working. Issues. Oh, they have a lot of issues. But I like the idea of run this with Husky. Why? By default, git hooks are not interactive. This command allows the user to use the term interact with committing into the hook. Man. Okay, wait. Editor appears after running interactive, but this is like 2021. Oh man, this is like really scary. I also Husky Home and I'm having problems. My file prepared commit messages in the Husky folder look like this. Oh, okay, so they are following kind of my idea of course. Adapters. Oh, I guess I have conventional here. Okay. Wait. Husky. What is the Husky? Prepare commit message. Okay, that's okay. So the guy is doing the. Okay, this is what I wanted to do. And I have the same issue. 4 hours ago. 4 hours ago, I have the same issue. Man. Okay, so any alternative to commit this in? Why are there no releases anymore? 6 days ago. I see the project is using semantic release, and I see that the project is using semantic release, and the multiple fixed commits have been added since the last later release. So they should definitely have triggered a new release, but didn't. Seems like there is something. Oh, but this is something different. It's coming close. A superset of defined GitHub workflow. Okay. Okay. Yeah. Okay. Man, what should we do? Git commit not returning to prompt. Should we try? I mean, this guy tried 4 hours ago. This guy is famous, right? I don't know, it's very similar to someone, but no, looks like no, maybe. So yeah, I guess this is a video where it shows that git's commit. And then, oh, wait. But at least he's seeing the thing. And then it's like open the, okay. But he's missing the true part. There was like this true part, right? True. What if I... Okay, let me... So remember the husky ad? Envía husky... Let's write... What's the name? Prepare commit message. Okay. Prepare commit message. Right? Prepare commit message. And the content is going to be this one. This content. So... Just but the moment. Yeah. I'm just going to... Okay. I guess I can do like yarn. Let me see. Git commit. It's going to prompt. Okay. What is happening? Non-option hook. Oh, okay. Maybe I should use npms after all. Okay. Let's prompt. So I should see the commit is in prompt now. Okay. It doesn't really like it. What is happening? What does the guy has? Prepare commit message. npm hook. It doesn't really work. I have a script that is like messing up everything. Git commit not returning to probe. This is a different one, right? Okay, wait, music. Okay, so... Oh, Git. What the... Let me see. Is this something? Is this real? Let me see. No, it's not working either. No option hook. But why? It's kind of a sec and nps cook. True. What it says about Git. If your repository is friendly, you can also... No. But I don't really understand. Okay, you need to use the locally thing. Okay. So commit is locally. Okay, let's just run this yarn add all this thing. going to try jar add dev. We already have committing in, but what? Wait, no, bro, no, wait, no, I think I need this because this is going to run an init command. Okay, let's try again this. But in theory, my repository is committing friendly. In theory. Okay, attempting to initialize using npm package. It's taking time. If that doesn't work, that will be everything for today. It's late already. It's late. What I need to do tomorrow? Let me see. Wednesday, right? Tomorrow is, I mean, today for me is Wednesday. Oh, I just have a support call. Okay. I mean, not with me. I have something that I need to fix. Well, not me. I have a product that is not working as expected, so I have a support call. What is happening? It's taking too long. Okay, no idea. Looks like it's not happening anymore. But I mean, it's okay. We managed to fix a lot of stuff. We fixed the Husky. Great. I was quite scared by Husky, but now it's fine. We managed to fix the test files with the snapshots. That's great. So yeah, I mean, now we need just to make sure the whole pre-commit thing. Oh wait, there is some issue apparently with React. Overriding per dependency. What? This is strange. I can show you. What? Some conflicts, but I mean, it shouldn't care by React. Let me see. Jarm. Maybe I have a mess with my. Let's just like rerun this whole thing. I have a mess with the jarm log. Yeah, but it's fine. I will fix it offline. I will try. So if we fix the commit link, that will be like 80% our problems, and then I just need to fix the SVG React thing, and then the semantic release. The semantic release is the thing that I also kind of made me wonder if it's not going to be a pain on the ass. Like, let me see about which semantic release, but which version do we have? I also should see what was the. I should open a pull request already, right? Do I have a pull request of this project? Maybe I should open another pull request. Yeah, new pull request. Let me open the pull request. July. Let's create it. Yeah, let's create the pull request. Just opening a pull request. Yeah, I guess you are familiar with the process, right? Unable to merge, obviously. So many changes, but why? Legacy root API. Oh, but this is for the new React version. The test, oh, of course. Okay, I just need to open. Okay, it's going to be the open pull request at the end, really? Where is the what? Oh, maybe it's because the mobile view and doesn't show the button. That's strange. Let me see. I want to open a new pull request, man. New pull request. Okay, base July. I don't see the button to open a pull request. I mean, what the fuck? I mean, my browser is super weird. Today is like my computer needs to restart. Definitely. I probably have an update. It's like, look this. Able to merge. And where is my open pull request button? I don't know. It's crazy. I need to restart my computer. Okay, so yeah, I mean, that was intense. I know it's not the most like fun thing to do. Upgrade dependencies is a pain on the ass, but we manage. I mean, we fix most of the problems. It's just like the semantic release that we need to take care, right? But yeah, I guess that's it. I need to go to sleep probably, but I see you tomorrow at the same time. So tomorrow I guess we will finish with this. Definitely we just need to fix the last thing, the commit link, make sure something release, the SVG React thing is working. It shouldn't be that hard. Maybe we were going to be able to enable the storybook with the new webpack version, make sure it's faster, and then we can create a new release and then go back to the web project, make sure everything is also working there, and continue with upgrading dependencies. And also I will think about what kind of things we can do this week, like, you know, maybe some challenges with the programming platforms like CodeWords or whatever. And by the way, we might have an interview soon. Remember the Memo Learns, Memo Aprende. Vamos a ver si invitamos a alguien. Those one are in Spanish, by the way. Probablemente no este viernes, pero el próximo viernes. Thank you to be here. So see you tomorrow. Bye bye. Hey, Bill, I'm in the mood for a switch up. I hit the function.